Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by confirming who owns both the composition and the master recording. Those are separate rights. Once you know ownership, contact the publisher and label with concise project details, length, territories, and whether you will monetize. Make sure to request a sync license for the composition and a master license for the recording if needed. If you plan to use a cover, explain that too and ask about mechanical or compulsory license options. Start these requests now. Delays affect release schedules. Next, negotiate clear written terms that include price, duration, exclusivity, and permitted platforms. Explicitly name YouTube and any partner channels. Ask the rights holders whether they will claim via Content ID and what metadata or upload flags they require to prevent disputes. Once terms are agreed, get signed contracts or license emails and keep proofs of payment and license ID. If a third-party admin handles rights, confirm delegation in writing. Verify match between contract terms and YouTube settings before uploading. Finally, upload your video using the exact metadata the licensor requested and include license details in the description so YouTube reviewers see them. After upload, monitor Content ID and copyright notices. If a claim appears, respond immediately by submitting your license documents or dispute per YouTube instructions. Once done, follow up with the licensor to confirm no manual takedown will occur. If the video is blocked, escalate to the rights holder with contract evidence and use YouTube's appeals only as a supported step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.